Hello. Today we're talking about something that quietly shapes every single outcome in your life. Not your talent, not your circumstances, not even your intelligence, your decisions. And here's what's interesting. Most people never learn how to make them. They just react, guess, avoid, and then wonder why life feels like it's happening to them instead of for them. Think about this honestly. Right now, there's a decision you've been sitting on. A career move, a conversation you need to have, a change you know is necessary, and every single day you don't make it. That decision is still making itself, just without you. Default is still a choice. Silence is still an answer. Staying still is still a direction. The difference? None of them are yours. Here's why this happens. Your brain has two powerful forces working against you every time you face a decision. First, decision fatigue. Columbia University research shows we make approximately 35,000 decisions daily. By evening, your prefrontal cortex is completely drained, and an exhausted brain doesn't make brave choices. It makes safe ones, or no choice at all. Second, loss aversion. Nobel Prize psychologist Daniel Kahneman proved your brain feels losses twice as intensely as gains. So you're not calculating what you could gain. You're catastrophizing what you could lose. That's not weakness. That's human wiring. But understanding it gives you the power to override it. So how do you actually make better decisions? Here's what research and human experience. 1. Name the real decision. Stop circling the situation. Get specific. Ask, what exactly am I choosing between right now? Clarity at this stage cuts anxiety in half. 2. Separate fear from fact. Write 2 columns. Facts. Fears. You'll see immediately, most of what's stopping you isn't real. It's imagined. 3. The 10-10-10. Rule from Harvard Business Review. How will you feel about this decision in 10 minutes? 10 months? 10 years? That single shift in perspective collapses overthinking immediately, because most things that feel catastrophic today feel irrelevant in 10 years. And most things you're avoiding today feel like the biggest regret in 10 years. 4. Decide with 70%. Most decisions should be made with around 70% of the information you wish you had. Waiting for 100% certainty is just fear dressed up as preparation. 5. Commit. Then adjust. The best decision makers aren't right every time. They're committed every time. Progress doesn't need perfection. It needs direction. You know that feeling on a Sunday evening? That quiet heaviness when you think about Monday and the week ahead, and nothing has changed. That's not tiredness. That's the weight of an unmade decision. And the longer it sits, the heavier it gets. The life you want is on the other side of the choice you keep postponing. If you're ready to stop postponing, I created the 7-day action reset for exactly this moment. It's a structured psychology-backed framework that takes you through every stuck decision in your life, day by day, step by step. By day 7, you won't just have clarity, you'll have a decision and a plan behind it. Link in description, because one more year of indecision costs infinitely more. Subscribe, like, and comment the one decision you've been avoiding. See you in the next video.